Hey everybody, welcome back. For today we're gonna use a vegetable that's not so common for the barbecue. The chicory. So once again, welcome back at Dinner with Dave. Today a pretty easy, normal dish on the barbecue, on the bastard VX. We're gonna make some rosti from the Lidl. You can buy them pre-made. Just put them on the bastard and it will be done. Today, by the way, we are using only the plancha. So yeah, nice, seasoned in and well, heating up, so awesome. We're gonna make some hamburgers with hamburger buns. The hamburgers itself, for the kids and for my wife, the normal ones, and for myself, I've got the Lucifer's Delight from Bastard, also a really nice spicy mix. So we're also gonna make that with some cheese, baked onions, but that's not so special. For today, the star of the show is the chicory. Yeah, I do have to say, normally I don't really like chicory. We have tried a lot of recipes, but in the end, this is the dish we really like. It needs some preparation, but okay, no problem, we can make it. So the chicory, together with some sun-dried tomatoes on oil, Rash el hanout, this is the herbs we're gonna use. These are the herbs. Balsamico vinegar and a little bit of a good olive oil. So let's first start to prepare the chicory because it has to marinate a little bit. Here we go. So first we want to make the marinade, and for the marinade we've got the Rash el hanout. We're going to use like 1 tablespoon. A good heat tablespoon, maybe even 1.5. We're gonna use the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes because those already got some nice flavors in there. So that's gonna go in. There we go. Balsamic vinegar. 1.5 tablespoon. And then a little bit of some good olive oil. 1 heat tablespoon. And then we're gonna mix it up until we've got some nice consistency. So that's perfect. We're gonna put it aside. Taking a knife, chicory. First, check the outer leaves. Here we can see a little bit of a damage. So we could be removing, but first cut them in half. Then see, this one is a nice one. This one we could remove 1 leaf. Now this is open. Put it all on the tray and get the marinade in the turkey. Let it get inside the leaves. There we go. And then rub it in. Cover it up a little bit. And when it's covered up, we're gonna let it sit for like 10-15 minutes before we're gonna bake it. As I said, small. It's time to sit in there to marinate. Somewhere between 15 minutes and 30 minutes. And this one will be perfect to put on the barbecue. Next, onions. I want to have some baked onions for on the burger. There we go. All the onions in the skillet. Add some salt, some pepper, and time to put this on the barbecue. Nicely steady at 200 degrees. Opening it up, you can see the heat coming out. We're putting the skillet on the barbecue and let that warm up. Now, time to prepare the burger buns. We got the pre-made ones. Cut it open. There we go, 4 times. The burger buns from the Appie Heijn for the Dutch viewers. We're gonna grab some mayonnaise. We're gonna cover them with a little bit of mayonnaise. This is like the same as butter, but it's gonna caramelize the buns a little bit, so that's nice. Number 4. Now, time to toast them on the barbecue. Let's see. Oh, the onions are going great. Nice one. Nice, soft. Awesome. Burger buns with the mayo. Let's toast. Be careful, especially with a hot sizzling plate. They are nicely toasting away. My bastard spatula, my collection have been upgraded. Ooh, that's looking great. Nice toast. A little bit longer. Also almost done. Now, these burger buns are done. You can hear it, nice and crispy. So there are the buns. Rosti time. The pre-made rosties from the Lidl. There we go. Time for the chicory. We want to hear that. Nice sound. And the bigger ones. If you have some excess oil, so put it on. Some extra flavors is always nice. For now, close the lid. Now, when the onions starting to brown, we can get them off the fire. It's a cast iron pan, so the heat will contain in there and it will stay warm for a long time. And I don't want to overcook them. Yeah, onions still continuing. Let's check my rosties. Oh, not with my tongue. Ah, they are getting a nice color. And look at this, caramelizing. Bloody hell, that's looking nice. Nicely caramelizing, and now comes in the surprise. The sun-dried tomatoes. Got them here. Divide them over the chicory so the extra flavors will enter in there. Some extra oil. And now going in with the big bad ass burgers. And because of the plancha, we will get full Maillard effect. Yes, time to plate up, and as you can see, We already had the Cherokee on there. Then some nice rosties added to the plate. Burger bun. Here we go. Quite hot. Add that on the burger. With some old cheese. A little bit of mayo, ketchup, whatever you want. And this is a quick and easy meal. Oh, I'm sorry. Totally forgot about the onions. Oh, almost. Some onions. And this is something different with Cherokee from the barbecue. Dinner with Dave. Have a nice meal. So a nice meal with an unusual vegetable. This way it's gonna be awesome. But now it's time for me to go because we will have to eat. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're gonna see each other next time. Bye bye.